Hello, I'm Thomas Lloyd. I'm the CEO and founder of Top Mexico Real Estate. Now, the property that you're browsing, you're studying, Vivo Resorts, it has three factors that stands out to me. And I'd like to share it with you. The first one being the beaches. The second thing that stands out for Vivo Resorts are the seclusion. It is off the beaten track. This is a smaller town. The vibe that you find in Puerto Escondido is incredible. And the third reason, it's like Playa del Carmen was 15 years ago. So the potential of the growth, the people wanting to live, retire, invest into the same zone with the beautiful beaches, it has all the factors. So I invite you to definitely add Vivo Resorts as one of your top 3 possibilities of investing or buying your house, your dream house, down in Mexico.
Vivo Resorts and Residences, a unique real estate development in Puerto Escondido, picturesque coastal town of Oaxaca, Mexico. At Vivo, you can find an exclusive living experience that combines the beauty of nature, the authenticity of Mexican culture, with the comfort of modern amenities. Whether you're looking for a comfy condo surrounded by nature or a luxurious beachfront villa with breathtaking views of the ocean, Vivo Resorts has the perfect investment opportunity for you. The complex features lush gardens, multiple swimming pools, and outdoor sports facilities, making it the perfect place to enjoy an active lifestyle in paradise, as well as a beach club, a clubhouse, full-service spa, multiple restaurants and bars, and a fitness center. But for those seeking adventure, Vivo Resorts offers a variety of activities that will make you experience the natural beauty and cultural heritage of Puerto Escondido to the fullest. Puerto Escondido has it all. Contact us today and learn more about Vivo Resorts and how you can become part of this captivating and peaceful community.